Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we studied degree, and in that degree, these examples are classified into two types: comparison with one to one and comparison with one to more than one. Today we are going to study comparison with one to more than one. In previous example, we compared those examples with one to one, but today we have different examples here. And last year, same kind of question was there in the board paper also. So now, first of all, we will discuss it. See, superlative degree, positive degree, and comparative degree. These examples you will have to first of all identify. Suppose in superlative degree, one of the you use that form. Then again, same example. When we are converting into the positive degree, at that time we have to start our sentence with very few. Same sentence if we are converting into the comparative degree, so then we have to use in that sentence many other. In other example, what happens? In superlative degree, one of the will not be used in this. In that way, you have to just identify it. Here in superlative degree, one of the will be used, but here in superlative degree, without one of the, you will have that example. Then, if one of the is not used in the superlative degree, so then you have to start your sentence with no other in the positive degree. Then, next thing, when you are converting that example into the comparative degree, you have to use any other. So, dear students, you just note down these structures. Actually, with structures, we are not going to get complete idea. But when you will have examples in front of you, then you will understand how to solve those examples. Now see, come to the first type. First of all, today we are going to study this one. It means superlative degree, one of the use, and then second part we are going to study later on. Okay, so the first part. See, first example. Rahul is one of the cleverest boys in the class. See, now just take care of this. Whenever one of the is used at that time, the noun form which will be there, that will be the plural. So that's why while converting that sentence into the positive degree, we will have to do one change. See, so Rahul is one of the cleverest boys in the class. One of the is used, that's why boys. Otherwise, when same example will be there in the another type, so then there one of the will not be there. So then there will be only boy. Okay. So now we will talk about this. Whenever one of the is there, so then in that sentence, plural form will be there. Whatever nouns are used there, so then that will be in plural form. Now we'll convert the same example into the positive degree. See, we have to start our sentence with very few. After the very few, adjective related part you have to take first. Okay, see, very few adjective. After the adjective, the parts are there, so then those parts you will have to take. It means from here. Very few boys in the class. See, here Rahul was one, singular, that's why we have used here is. But here we are using boys in the beginning. That's why amis are, as we are going to think. Suppose was, where is used. Here is was, so then here we will have to take where. If here is, so then you will have to take here are. See, very few boys in the class are, and then in positive degree we have to use the adjective first form. Are as clever as Rahul. This is your example. Now, same example we are going to convert into the comparative degree. Now see, here we will write down CD. So then Rahul is cleverer than many other boys in the class. See the example. So here we have used here many other, and then in that another part we have to use any other. So by this, if you are writing one example also, you will understand how to solve these examples. So the first one, what changes we have done here? So then comparative form we are going to use cleverer than. Suppose strong is there, stronger than, tall is there, taller than, in this way. And then here as, clever as. And already it is the superlative form, the cleverest. Now one example I am going to give you here. So then first of all you just try to guess the answer. Okay, same kind of example I am giving. Now this is the second example. Goa is one of the smallest states in India. See the example. Goa is one of the smallest states in India. See. So here also same kind of sentence we have just taken here. See, observe this example and then according to that we are going to convert the same example into the positive degree. Okay, now see positive degree. So first of all in positive degree we have to begin our sentence with very few. Okay, see, very few. Then what we have to take after the adjective form, the part is used there, that we have to take after this. So then see smallest states in India. So very few states in India. Earlier we have used it singular, Goa. That's why we have used here is. Okay, but in another form, here was Goa, that's why we have used here is. But here very few states in India. So that's why according to that we have to do the similar kind of change here which we have done in the first answer. Very few states in India are as small as Goa. Did you get it? In this way we have to solve it. Then next example, you must have guessed it. See, now it's a comparative degree. Goa is smaller than, see, Goa is smaller than many other states in India. In this way we have to solve it. By the way, while solving these questions you can do one thing. If you understood how to solve it, then you just write down the question, pause the video and write down your answer. Because after some time you are going to get that answer. Exactly what the answer of that question. So it's going to encourage you so that you are going to understand it properly. See, in this way we have to solve it. One example I am giving you, now you just try to solve. Okay, here on this side I am giving you. See, third example. Rohan is one of the tallest boys in the village. See there. Rohan is one of the tallest boys in the village. See the example. So according to that you can do the same examples or you can solve it. So then first of all we are going to convert it into the positive degree. So those who want to solve it, you can do one thing. You can just press the pause button. Then just wait for some time. You just write down your own answers and then accordingly just turn it automatically. Now see, we are learning these examples. By that you are going to understand. So then see, I am writing the answer. Very few boys in the village are as tall as Rohan. Correct. Now come to the comparative degree. Okay, see. Rohan is taller than many other boys in the village. Did you get it? In this way we have to solve. So just note down these structures also. And now today we studied this, and then later on we are studying this. After completing complete degree examples, I will give you some mixed questions. Comparison with 1 to 1 and comparison with 1 to more than 1. Those all the examples will be given to you. Okay.